Hello, I'm Catherine Webster, and I'm the Simpson County Extension Agent for 4 H Youth Development. I work for the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture, Food and Environment Cooperative Extension Service. And today we are here to talk a little bit about 4 H Camp. And I have two of our volunteers with us, Sharayha Klingenpeel, who is a Warren County 4 H volunteer and also the staff assistant in Simpson County, and Bradley Webster, who is a Warren County 4 H teen. And they're going to be showing you how to make some camp treats since camp has been canceled and we can't go this summer. We're going to show you how you can bring camp to your house. A couple things to kind of fill that void a little bit this summer that you can take advantage of is 4 H Camp in a Box. And we have some items behind me. For $40, you can order Camp in a Box from any of your camps. You can go to the 4 H Camp store online. And this one, I believe, is the games box. And so it looks like it had a hat, a little stuffed animal, a water bottle, deck of cards, and a bracelet in it. Behind Bradley, we have the adventure box, and it's got, looks like a coloring activity, one of the new camp stuffed animals, some camp socks, some sunglasses, and I believe there was a magnet in there. So there are 6 camp in a box choices that you can get from the 4 H camp store. They'll also include activities depending on which box you select. They'll have some different games. They'll also have some recipes that you can make. You can pick your box based on color if you have a child that likes a certain color. So lots of choices out there just to help you get 4 H camp into your house. And I'm going to turn it over to Sherry and Bradley and let them make some of our camp treats with you.
All right, well, thank you. So at 4 H Camp, I'm one of the cooking instructors, and we do this fun activity every year. It's slushy in a bag. So all you need is 3/4 of a cup of juice, a tablespoon of salt, and a cup of ice. So you're going to take your juice, and you're going to pour it in a small snack-sized baggie. And then you're going to seal it up real tight, kind of get some of these air bubbles out. This way it doesn't leak. And then I'm going to measure about a cup of ice in the bag. And a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to do it. All right. You're just going to pour it in. And then you'll put your baggie inside of your juice. Seal it up nice and tight so this nothing falls out. You don't get ice everywhere with salt. And then it gets really cold and you put ice and salt together. So I have a towel here to help me shake it. And you'll shake it for about 2 minutes and your slushy will form.
All right, and while she's shaking that up, I'm going to show you how to make some nice homemade ice cream in a bag. What you will need for this is you've got whole milk. You need the whole milk instead of 1-2% milk because the fat helps the ice cream form better. You've got sugar, ice cream salt, and I'll be using iodized salt because I personally like that better. You'll need some vanilla or vanilla flavor and a couple bags. So what you're going to do first is you're going to pour about half a cup of milk into a measuring cup. Then you'll pour that right into a sandwich-sized bag. I find that the sandwich size just works best. It's just a nice, not too big, not too small. You'll do that. And then next, you will get a tablespoon of sugar. You can put a little more if you like it a little extra sweet. You'll just pour that right in. And then next, you'll get some of your vanilla. Put a teaspoon of that in there. And I like to measure the vanilla over the bag, just in case I get a little extra. A little extra vanilla, never hurt anybody. Then after that, you are going to fill the bottom of a bag, a gallon-sized bag, with ice. And then you're going to want to put salt in it so that the ice does not melt and it will keep colder so the ice cream freezes faster. And then go ahead and seal the ice cream bag. Place it in there. And then I like to put a few more scoops around it just so it starts to freeze better and all around. And once you do that, put a little bit more salt. And you can be generous with the salt because we want it to freeze as fast as possible to have that ice cream made quick. You'll make sure both bags are sealed very well. and then you'll start mixing. You'll mix for about 4 to 5 minutes, and once it is ready, you'll take it out and you'll have nice ice cream. Now, we pre-prepared some just so you can see what the final product is like. And once you're done, you'll just open it up, take it out. Go ahead and set that to the side. You will take this. I've got a spoon right here, and if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see the cameras, it'll be nice, solid ice cream in a bag.
Okay, so while Bradley was making his, mine turned into a nice slushy. So, open it up, and you get a nice, ooh, that's a big chunk, piece of slushy.